Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, we are going to learn how to add a beautiful logo showcase to your Wix Studio website, step by step. Whether you want to show off your brand partners or sponsor or your own portfolio of your work, this method works great. Now, here's the thing. Wix Studio doesn't have a built-in logo showcase element, but don't worry, we will use a free third-party tool to design the showcase, and then I will show you exactly how to embed into your website. It is super easy and it looks clean and professional. So if you talk about the example, this is the example, but this is not moving in the direction left or right. But what I'm talking about, it will move. So what you have to do, first thing first, is you have to log in into your Wix Studio with your login details, and then you have to select your site where you want to put that logo slider into a website. Just simply select that website and click on the edit. So it will create something like this, as you can see here right now. This is, I think, now just simply click on this and wait, give me a second to just resize it so it looks clean. So yeah, now let's create a section where we can add our logos. Add a section over here. Now uh, what you have to do is just search for elf site, elf site. I think elf site, maybe I'm pronouncing it the wrong way, but this is the website, and click on. Now we will add, just simply go into widgets, and in the tools bar you will get to see this logo showcase. Just simply click on that and create widget for free, and just simply click on this. Now over here you will get to see lots of widgets, but now create a new app, and what you have to do is just simply go back. I think I have made something bad, and click on the install. So my logo showcase is already has been created. You can continue editing widgets, change its template, start from scratch. You can, if you're new, you can choose from these options like logo slider, infinite cursor. This is the preview of that thing. What I will do, I will just simply click on the view widgets and click on this edit link over here. Now it will something look like over here. Now if you go into content, from here you can add multiple logos that will appear over here. For example, I will add one more logo so you can understand what I'm talking about. Just simply click on the open. For the sake of tutorial, I will choose the random logos so you can understand. So I have already created this uh, 2 to 3 days ago. So yeah, but for the Shopify, but right now I'm creating for the Wix. So just add that, and you can add multiple logos in your section. As you can see here, I am just uploading the file and it will reload again. Now you can custom logo size as well. I will choose default. uh, Click on the done. Now if you go into header section, you can see you can give a title as well, and you can give a short captions as well. For example, what I will do, I will choose my sponsored sponsor. Maybe my spelling would be wrong, but yeah, you can give a caption, review caption, and if like you can do with this header. If you don't want any header, you can just simply disable this button. Go back, and if you go to into call to action button, here you can add icons to your, you can choose from library and you can upload it from computer. You can give a link as well. uh, this is for the button. If you want to add a icon over here, I will choose from library. Just add this over here. You will be seeing this icon added into the button. Just simply click on the done, and over here when someone clicks you for example someone clicks on this link, it will redirect to a different page. You can add that link over here. Now click on the back. So if you want to like disable this button, you can just simply click on the show button and it will disable, and it will enable. You can see the button will appear. If you go into layout, you will get to see this three layouts where you can add a cursor, ticker or grid. So if you, I will prefer ticker because it is sliding. If you go to in ticker setting, you can manage a transition speed. For example, I want this much slow, I will and if you increase then it will get faster. So if you want to pause on hover, for example this is not pausing when I hover on the images or logos. If you enable this, whenever I hover it will stop scrolling, so I will just choose that. Now you can give a logo size as well. For example this, you can increase and decrease. And if you want to increase a spacing between logos, what you have to do, just simply spacing between, increase the spacing between logos. Right now I will just simply decrease to 8 pixels. Now if you go to mobile behavior, you can see you can manage you can set mobile logo size tablets, spacing for tablets, and you can set all of those related to mobiles. Now if you want to give random orders, you can give that, but right now I don't want to give random orders. Yeah, that's it. uh, if you go back into style, you can, over here you can add the padding and vertical padding and horizontal padding. Now if you go into a logo background, you can change the color of the logo background. As you can see here, you can give the background color to logo, but I will prefer to be transparent. Now you can go to header. This is the alignment and this is a color, a title color. For example, this is the title caption color. If you want to change the title color, you can give it purple, it will change into purple. So they have lots of customization options. So yeah, you can customize many things over here. Just come over here and see what you can customize. Now after all the selection, what you have to do is just simply click on the publish to make this thing. Now change where published. Now close it, and now click on the install. Now it will give you the link of our code. You have to copy this code, and let's move back to our studio where we can add our this sliding logos. Go back into your Wix Studio, click on the add elements. Now you have to search for embed and social media. Now in the embed code, you will select embed code. It will display content by adding HTML code. So just simply click on the add, and now you have to click on the enter code. It will give you this file, and remove this and paste it over here and click on the update. So just wait a few seconds. As you can see here, we have successfully added our slider. You can just move, resize it with the section. Okay, we are in the right. There we go. We have successfully added our uh, slider logo, and it looks good. You can customize more in a good way. For the sake of tutorial, I have just selected this stupid logo, so it is not looking good. But if you are creating a good website, you have to put good images, you have to choose good font related to the theme. So yeah, that's it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel, and thank you for watching. If you found anything wrong related to this tutorial, just comment it down, and I will try to make good videos. Thank you for watching.